On Saturday, December 3rd, 2022, the Florida East Coast Railway's Toys for Tots Santa train returned after a few years off due to COVID. Stopping in several cities down the coast of Florida, the train gives back to the local communities with toy donations, partnerships with local organizations, and a chance for kids to get a picture with Santa. I first caught up with the train as it passed by Brightline's Cocoa Tunnel near the US 1 State Road 528 interchange in Cocoa. Here it is, passing by one of Brightline's work trains for the Orlando line. And here it is at the Cocoa stop, which was at the Rosa L. Jones Boulevard crossing. The train stopped with the two business cars at the crossing, where families had been lining up to meet with Santa. The Cocoa stop is done in cooperation with the Cocoa Police Department, which in addition to supporting the Railway's Police Department with crowd control and traffic management, also had some of their community outreach resources on site. Here's a look at the crowd from the ground near the end of the stop. Santa was seated under the tent, with several FEC executives nearby, including the CEO. The train was stopped next to the FEC's former Cocoa Rockledge station. This was one of the last, if not the last, station that FEC built before discontinued passenger rail service on July 31st, 1968. It is still used today to support the operations in the adjacent Cocoa Yard. The train was made up of freshly painted GP40-2 number 426 in the Grupo Blue scheme, a specially painted flat car set which carried two containers holding toys, a well car carrying the train's generator, and the two new business cars. I was able to get ahead of the train for one last catch as it crossed the Crane Creek Bridge in downtown Melbourne. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.